Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with LEXIS and Company. So in this video, we are going to discuss that Section 50C cannot be applied on compulsory acquisition of a capital asset. So the Calcutta High Court has held that in cases of compulsory acquisition of capital asset such as land or building, the provision of Section 50C of Income Tax Act cannot be applied as the question of payment of stamp duty for effecting the transfer does not arise. The division bench of Justice T.S. Sivagnam and Justice Hiranmay Bhattacharya has observed that the property was acquired under the provisions of National Highway Act 1956. The property vests by operations of said statute, and there is no requirement for payment of stamp duty in such vesting period of property. As such, there was no necessity for an assessment of valuation of property by the Stamp Valuation Authority in case at hand. The respondent SSC filed its original return in income on September 28, 2015, declaring a loss. On January 16, 2017, a revised return was filed declaring a loss. The case was selected for scrutiny and notices under Section 143(2) and 142(1) were issued. The SSC was heard and the assessing officer completed the assessment. The assessing officer added a sum of rupees 5,48,000 to the total income as capital gain on the transfer of land to the National Highway Authority of India, and also initiated penalty proceedings under Section 271(1)(c). Therefore, Section 50C was introduced to adopt the market value determined by the stamp duty authorities as the sale consideration of the purpose of computing capital gains under the provision of Income Tax Act. The provision provides for referring the matter to the valuation officer of the revenue to determine the actual market value of the property sold. Thus, the court held that in the case of transfer by way of compulsory acquisition, the capital asset, whether land or building or both, vest in the government operation of the provisions of the statute governing the acquisition proceedings and is subject to the terms condition laid down in statute being followed. So thank you. See you in next video with some more information.